So what's a realistic way to pay off your student loans? Let's get real, okay? One of the few ways to really hone in on paying your student loans is to have a dedicated stream of income solely to go to the student loans. So you're probably thinking, well, what can I do for extra money? Man, there's a lot of different things you can do for extra money. One of the ways to do it would be to, of course, get another job. I know who wants to do that. However, some people are open to that idea. Now, another person may be saying, you know what, I'm cool with like a side hustle. It's what we call it, right? But it's really a second job. You may do Uber on the side. You may do DoorDash. You may do Amazon. There's a lot of different things that are out there. We don't really have to put anything together. You just kind of got to join something that's already put together. And then whatever income that is, you're using that specifically to pay off your student loans. I've seen people make an additional $250 a week or more with a lot of these side hustles, okay? Beyond just having an additional stream of income, rental property. And I'm not just saying this because I'm a real estate agent. However, I'm in the real estate industry, and I feel that a lot of people don't know how easy it is to get a rental property.